Welcome everyone. I hope you must be stay safe and stay healthy. So no further delay, let's begin. Our today's topic is snow crab versus king crab. Snow and king crabs are the most popular choices of edible crabs. But in the battle of snow crab versus king crab, which is better? What are the differences between the two? Find out in the Animal Sec article. Crabs are one of the most succulent and delicious varieties of seafood. They are eminently versatile in the way they can be cooked. They can be steamed or boiled and made into crab cake, or put in soups or stews or even casseroles. Soft shell crabs can be dipped in butter and fried, while other varieties can be grilled. The range of the wonderful dishes one can incorporate crabs into the limitless. Similar to turkey meat, a crab also has light meat and drink meat and dark meat. The claws contain a sweet white meat and the body is filled with a rich brown meat. The white meat content is more in males than in females because they possess larger claws. When cooked, the white meat is flaky and mild tasty, whereas the dark meat is sweet and coarse. In general, almost 75% of a crab's flesh is dark meat. Not only do crabs taste amazing, but they are high in protein too and are a great source for nicotine, vitamin B12, chromium, selenium, iron, zinc, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Crab meat is also low in structured fat. According to the Encyclopedia Americana, there are almost 4,500 different species of crabs described throughout the world. Which species is the most popular basically depends on the types found in the particular region. Points of comparison: location and habit. Snow crab. In Asia, snow crabs are found in the Japan Sea and the snow crab of Octosoc. In the Atlantic, they are found from Greenland south to Maine. Off the coast of Alaska, they live in Bering, Beaufort, and Chicotee, although they are only harvested in the Bering Sea. King crab. King crab are found in the Bering Sea and Aleutian Island, along the coasts of the Gulf of Alaska, the south to British Columbia, Canada. They are also found from Hokkaido, Japan, and Cape Alaskan, Russia. In addition, they have been successfully introduced in the Barents Sea in the Arctic Ocean. What do they eat? Larvae of snow crab float as zooplankton while consuming plankton. Cyclate worms, gastropods, crabs, shrimp, and fish. Larvae of king crab feed on phytoplankton. As they get older, juvenile crabs fall to the ocean floor and begin feeding on beneath organisms. Physical description: snow crabs have a hard, round shell, 4 pairs of legs, and a pair of claws. King crabs range in color from brownish to bluish red and are covered in sharp spine. They have 3 pairs of legs and a pair of claws. When and how do they reproduce? Snow crabs meet in late night and winter to early spring, and female snow crabs can carry up to 1 lakh eggs. The female crabs, snow crabs, have the ability to store sperm, so they can fertilize egg clutches whenever they are ready. King crab meet in the period between October and February. They produce between 50,000 and 5 lakh eggs. After mating, the female crab keeping the egg underneath her abdominal flap, whereas she rears them for up to 11 months. Harvesting method. Snow crab are caught by the use of trap of posts. King crabs are harvested using trawls, trap and nets. Taste. Snow crabs have snow white meat, which gives it its name and its reputation as a delicacy. The meat is sweety and flaky, and is more delicate in flavor than that of the king crab. King crab meat has a sweet flavor and delicate texture, and is celebrated for its distinctive rich flavor. Nutrition. Snow crab is naturally low in fat and calories and high in protein. King crab is naturally low in fat and calories and packed with flavors. It is also a good source of a high quality protein. Nutrition per 100 gram of snow crab. Calories 90. Protein 18.5 gram. Fat total 1.18 gram. Startative fat acids total 0.143 gram. Carbohydrate 0 gram. Sugars total 0 gram. Fiber total dietary 0 gram. Cholesterol 55 mg. Selenium 34.6 mcg. Sodium 539 mg. Nutrition per 100 gram of king crab. Calories 84. Protein 18.29 gram. Fat total